Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Canisius. In this video we go over how to record a Microsoft Teams meeting. Recording a meeting will automatically start a live transcript. Afterwards, we will also show where to find the recording and transcript. Additionally, know that automatic transcriptions of meetings can be created without needing to record a meeting. However, recording a meeting automatically starts a transcript. Let's get started. In a Teams meeting, click on More in the upper right. Select Record and Transcribe in the menu that appears. From there, click on Start Recording. This will automatically start both a recording and a transcript. The transcript will automatically choose English to transcribe the meeting. When done with the meeting, we can click on Leave in the upper right. From there, we can go to the Chat tab. This will allow us to view our transcript and recording. To download the transcript, click on the three horizontal dots to the right of it. Select Download as .docx. This will allow us to view the transcript as a Microsoft Word file. To download the recording, click on the three vertical dots to the right of it. Select Open and Stream. This will open a new tab in the browser we last used. We may also need to sign in. Click on the three horizontal dots to the right of Copy To. Select Download in the menu that appears. Select Download again in the pop-up that appears. The Save dialog may appear, or will save directly to the Downloads folder. Navigate to where we saved the recording and quickly view it. That's it for this video. If there are any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.